Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are a few pets banned in India. Keeping birds in captivity is cruel, but a lot of us believe a bird is a hassle-free pet to have. Birds like rose-ringed parakeet, Alexandrine parakeet, red munia and jungle myna are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act.
Let's help you make your mark.
In India, local birds are not supposed to be kept as pets, but exotic birds such as budgerigars and cockatoos are allowed to be kept as pets. It is common for people to keep parrots as pets, but this is illegal, as is keeping mynas and finches that are trapped from the wild and sold in markets.
Take our lead.
The Wildlife Protection Act, 1972 protects only native Indian birds like munias, parakeets, peacocks, weaver birds, cole, mynas, and owls, which despite the ban are available for sale across the country.
Take our lead.
It is precisely the exotic, non-native or indigenous nature of the birds that allows them to be sold legally in India. Indian birds are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act and cannot be sold as pets, but the Act doesn't cover Australian birds like budgerigars, which are part of a flourishing import trade.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Deccan Chronicle. The Wildlife Protection Act says that no one can keep wild birds as pets. In India, local birds are not supposed to be kept as pets, but exotic birds such as budgerigars and cockatoos are allowed to be kept as pets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.